How to set one single name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how you can set up a single name in Facebook. So if you're looking for a quick and simple way to change your name, let's just dive right into the video. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook app on your phone, and if you don't have it yet, you can just download it from the App Store or the Google Play and simply log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you can tap on the horizontal lines, this menu bar at your account, and reach over to the section and go ahead and open up your settings by tapping on the gear icon. Once you're on the settings, you're going to look up for your personal details here under Account Center. So when you reach over to your Account Center, you can just go ahead and tap on your Facebook profile. Just go ahead and tap on it. And in order to set up a single name, you're going to go ahead and tap on Name section. So what you're going to do is simply go ahead and cross out your middle name and your surname if you have any. And after that, type in your first name, only a single name, since we are only adding a single name. After that is added, you're going to go ahead and tap on Review Change. After that is done, make sure that is exactly how you want it, because you can only change it once every 60 days. Once you've entered your name, tap on Review Change, and Facebook may ask you to enter your password for security. And after entering your password, tap Save Changes, and then you're done. And that is it. And a single name is now set on Facebook. It is that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy to follow guides. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.